Hello, I'm Hake, designer and builder of the Seaward sailboats, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the keel system on the Seawards, the electric retracting keel. Seaward is the only production boat that has a solid lead torpedo mounted at the very bottom of a high aspect foil and retracts vertically into the hull, like this. Now, that's not to be confused with centerboard boats, which we often are. Centerboard keels come out of the hull like this. Centerboards have a hinge pin that supports the forward end of the keel. As the centerboard goes down, most of the board weight transfers to that pin. The boat's center of gravity also moves forward because the weight's moving forward. And the center of resistance moves forward as the surface area moves forward. With the vertical retracting keel of the Seaward, the keel hangs from much more than just a single pin. Her hull always floats on her lines, and she will sail balanced regardless of the depth of the keel. Seawards love to sail with the board in any position. Centerboarders, they're a different story. The Seaward keel is built from non-corrosive composite materials, and it's housed in a non-corrosive composite trunk. The trunk is formed into the hull as the hull is being laminated. In other words, it's part of the hull from birth. The mechanism that lifts our keels is above the waterline and free from electrical saltwater corrosion. Like everything on Seawards, the mechanical lifting system is easily accessible and maintainable. Lowering the mast or removing the boat from the water is not necessary to change any part of the lifting system. It's well accepted that a high aspect foil with a lead bulb torpedo provides maximum lift and stability and speed. Virtually all racing boats use it. Really, the only reason not to use a high aspect keel is the inability to navigate into shallow water or trailer mobility, to trailer the boat. We solved that major problem, and we took it a step further. We made a high aspect keel boat sail even faster by making the excessive friction of deep draft go away, when high lift and stability is simply not needed. So now you get very high deep draft lead torpedo righting moment. Then, with the push of a button, you can raise that high aspect keel to sail even faster. And while you are sailing faster, you can save more time by cutting corners and sail shallow passages and more pleasant waters. Then, anchor for the evening in water so shallow you don't even need a dinghy to step onto the beach. Is there a cost for this incredible benefit? Yes. Naturally, to build a system that is safe and dependable, there is an initial investment in materials, labor, and engineering. Over the life of the boat, this cost is very little, and when you ultimately sell your boat, you will get it all back. Seawards prove this over and over again. Resale on Seawards is likely the highest in the production monohull sailboat industry. The Seaward owners will tell you that they are spoiled by a retracting keel and cannot buy another boat. It boils down to 5 things: the ability to sail faster by removing drag, the ability to cut corners, the ability to anchor in shallow water or dock in the shallowest slip, usually the cheapest and most convenient, by the way, trailer ability, and resale value. Okay, now if you're worried or confused or have any questions at all or reservations about our keel system, please call us. I'll talk to you personally, or you can talk to our salesman. And if you understand the keel system that we offer, we think you're going to love it, and we think you're going to buy it.